It's your boy Razor Ray, and I'm back at you with another video. So I'm here for, got the brand new Pokemon Go. It's like Pokemon cards. It's the Elite Trainer box, and it's the Mewtwo version of it. Just picked it up today, and I just wanted to make a quick short video on like Pokemon cards that came with it and the types, and just basically show you the stuff that's in it. And by the way, sorry I haven't recorded in a while. A lot of stuff I've been going through a lot of stuff, and you know, trying to get over that and the moving and all that stuff. So I'm gonna have more videos coming out now. But all right, back to the video. So look at how the box looks pretty. Mewtwo's like one of my favorite. And yeah, so this comes, it says Pokemon Go Elite Trainer box includes 10 Pokemon Go booster packs, 1 For You promo card featuring Mewtwo, 5, 65 card sleeves featuring Mewtwo, 45 Pokemon energy cards, a player's guide to the Pokemon Go expansion, 6 damage counter dice, 1 competition legal coin flip die, 2 condition markers, 1 V-Star marker, a collector's box to hold everything with 4 dividers to keep and organize, a code card for Pokemon Trader card game life. So this is the stuff basically that comes with it. You want to look at it. And all right, so I kind of started like opening it, but because I couldn't wait, but I still haven't looked at the cards yet, so we're gonna be opening that out. So this is it. Oh, look at that. So this box actually in the back actually like has a little design. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I show that. It's like a little Mewtwo and stuff like that. What? I think you could like open it, but I don't want to do that. But it looks like you could make it like a little poster. But yeah. Comes with like, it's like venture weight in Pokemon Go. It's like a little barcode, you scan that on your phone. It's a player's guide. See? It tells you all about like Pokemon cards that it has, and how to use them and all that stuff, how to play the game. So this is the box that's inside it. Look, it has like a little hologram YouTube on both sides. It has the Pokemon Go on the top. So we open this. Look at that. I like the way they have it designed and everything. It's like all detailed. So you got the little dices. Yo, this color is like really pretty. And I'm guessing these are the coins. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And a little sticker, I believe it is. Oh, it's a V-Star marker. I have no idea what that is. If y'all know what it is, please let me know in the comments down below. All right, so this is the little thing come out. These are the deck cards. Look at all these cards. Yeah.
So excited!
And I'm assuming these are the sleeves, I believe. I'm not sure. By the way, guys, these are actually my first Pokemon cards that I've gotten. So bear with me if I sound like a rookie. It's been a long time that I have Pokemon cards. And I decided to start today because I love Pokemon Go, so I want to get like all the collections of them. Alright, these are the energy cards. Ooh, shiny Mewtwo, look at that. Bling bling. And it's like a Pokemon trading card, Game Life. It's like a coupon that you can redeem. And these are the sleeves actually. Oh, these are nice sleeves.
A few moments later.
I work at GameStop, and you know, when you buy like Pokemon cards and stuff like that, they had a deal that you get 2 free cards. So I got the Pikachu one, and I actually have the type, I forget his name, for this hologram too. This one is shiny too. And I also decided to go pick myself up, might as well since I was there. Nice little binder. Actually really nice than I thought it was. It comes with the little sleeves. Pull your Pokemon cards in there. And the best thing that I love about this one is not the little springs. I hate those because like they're so delicate, and when you try to put the plastic on it, it breaks all the time, and I can't stand it. So that's why I like this one. So yeah. So these are the little sleeves on there. And yo, I really love this Mewtwo card. It's one of my favorites. It's crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna open some of the packs and show you what I have in there. See? Like I said, I haven't like seen too much Pokemon in a long time. I just like decided to start it again. But I love Pokemon Go, so that's why I like wanted to buy these new cards. So if I don't know the names, bear with me, please. Alright, I got Bidoof, first one. Wimpod, see that? See what like. Got Pidoof, Magikarp, hate that. Meltan. Oh snap. I don't know about you, but I love when it's shiny like this. So, ooh, Blastoise. Okay, I see you. Got an energy card, the Steelix, Candela. Okay, Charmander. So Charizard is my other favorite one. He's like actually my favorite one. So you see, if I got a Charizard, you know I'm gonna get my hype on here. All right, guys, that was like all the booster decks. I believe these are just the energy cards, but we're just gonna go through it real quick. That's a lot of energies though. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, Spinarak. Okay. Another bird. Not a Rattata. Another Pikachu. Okay. Lupus. Ooh. I have no idea what this Pokemon is, but it looks fire. Alright, we got a Psychic Energy. Spark. Radios, whatever. And Steelix, another one. Alright. Alright. 2 more decks to go. Next. Alright, Rattata. I'm about to throw these in the trash. Ooh, Onix. A shiny Onix. Ooh, okay.
Yes! Yes!
I'm digging that. That looks nice. Energy. Oh, look. Charmeleon. Yeah. Alright, guys. We got our last one. Alright, ready for this? Alright, Larvitar, Lacto, yeah, another Slowpoke, really. Ooh, okay, Snorlax. I know if y'all love some Snorlax. Another Melmetal, Water Energy, another Charmeleon. Ooh, Chansey, okay. I like a Chansey. Okay. Lupus.
That's all, folks.
I completely forgot.
Hey guys, one more thing before I go. I would like to make a post notification shout out and to these two great, awesome fans. Their name is Josiah and Joel Dale. Congratulations also on moving to the next grade. That's a big move. And thank you for always staying true to our channel. And also, don't worry guys, I will get that video that you wanted of the Spider-Man game. And also, if you whoever wants to be our next post notification shout out, just comment down below, like, subscribe, of course, and in our next video you'll be added to our shout out. All right, guys. All right, peace.